I'm Andrew Camp, Product Manager for Residential Construction here at Makita USA. We've been talking a lot about introducing the world's first brushless, cordless, 7 1/4 inch rear handle circular saw since we announced it at the 2000. Well, I'm here in our warehouse in Southern California with some exciting announcements arrived. As you can see, we have begun shipping these great products out. Let's take a look. Here we have the XSR01 PT, or its big unboxing. The kit comes with the Powertools XSR01Z. Dual port rapid charger. It charges 2 batteries in 45 minutes at the same time. It comes with 2 5.0 batteries, which is awesome. In our testing, it provided up to 558 cross cuts and SPF lumber, and up to 291 cross cuts in 2x10 lumber. And a tool bag for you to carry all of your items. Due to the tremendous demand and excitement that has been built up around this product, we're going to be doing a regional rollout starting in the West Coast going eastward. So please check into your industrial distributors and lumber yards. Take it away, Will. Thank you. Check into your lumber yards and keep in touch with us. We've got some really great other exciting products in the residential construction side that we're going to be announcing here in the coming weeks and months. Thanks so much for joining us, and thank you for your support of Makita. Have a great day.